Hello, and welcome to another edition of Business Automations with Ben. Today's topic is one of my favorite services on X, JotForm. JotForm is a full-featured form builder online that makes creating powerful forms and collecting important data easier than ever. Did you know that with JotForm, you could also create your very own iOS or Android mobile app? It takes just minutes and doesn't require a single line of code. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own form with JotForm. We're then going to turn that form into our mobile app, and then we're going to automate it all on IFT. When creating a form on JotForm, you can build your form entirely from scratch using a full suite of no-code drag and drop tools, or you can choose from over 10,000 pre-made templates. Okay, so let's pretend that I own a barbershop here in Oakland, California, and I want to build a form and an app that allows my repeat customers to easily book appointments when they're ready for a new cut. Okay, so as you're looking for the perfect form for your business, you can search by types, industry, profession. For this example, I'm going to scroll down here to types, and I'm going to select appointment forms. I'm going to click this one here that says appointment form. I now need to make this form my own. So I'm going to start here at the top where it says add to your logo. I'm going to drag and drop my logo here where it says drop files. And there's my logo at the top of the form, Ben's Barbershop.
Did you know that JotForm now has its very own Calendly integration?
Yes, you heard that right. Calendly is now a part of JotForm. So we're going to remove this default scheduler altogether. I'm now going to click add form element here to the left. I'm going to select widgets, search for Calendly, and I'm just going to add my calendar invite link here where it says calendar event URL and select update widget. Now, if someone books a time on this, it'll tell Calendly and it'll block time off in my calendar. The rest of this form looks pretty good. So we're just going to scroll up here at the top to settings. I'm going to change the title to a trim with Ben. And now I'm going to select publish. Okay, so here is a link for my form. I can also share the form via social, as well as I can create a QR code for my form. I'm going to click this button here, create app, and this is going to instantly turn the form we just created into our very own iOS or Android mobile app. Okay, so here's another view of the mobile app. We have our Calendly widget embedded as well. Okay, and once we like everything, we can click publish. This will then give a shareable link to our app, as well as a downloadable QR code. So here is my Ben's Barbershop mobile app. Book a trim with Ben, so we can fill out their details when they're ready for a new fresh cut. Here are some of the most powerful ways that users are automating their JotForm on IFT. Receiving a rich mobile notification every time someone fills out a new form submission. You could add new form data to a new row in a Google spreadsheet.
Or you could update a Google document. You could send whoever submitted the form an automated email. You could also send them a text message. You could also have your AI assistant from Nobly give them a quick call.
Remember earlier when I told you about JotForm's partnership with Calendly? And then we put Calendly in our own mobile app. Well, guess what? We can automate that on IFT as well. When someone books a meeting in Calendly, we can then have an automated message sent to our coworkers via Slack. We could create a to-do or a task in, say, Google Tasks. This could also be done in Todoist or, say, ClickUp or any of these task management platforms that you see here. At minimum, you should be adding an iOS reminder and create a Google contact with the attendees information. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you got something to say, let us know in the comments. Also, you should totally go check out the JotForm app builder. I'll put a link to it right here or in the description or in the comments. Definitely go check that out. And I'll see you next week for another edition of Business Automations with Ben.